Traditional business banking was built for 9-to-5 brick-and-mortar shops, not modern startups. If you're a startup founder, you're not dealing with checks, fax machines, or in-person branch visits. You're scaling fast, your team's remote, and you need a financial platform that actually feels like it's from this decade. If this sounds familiar, let me introduce you to Mercury. Mercury takes a modern approach to business banking, but can it actually deliver when it comes to the flexibility, transparency, and scalability that startups need? In this video, we're breaking down exactly what Mercury offers, what makes it startup friendly, and whether it's the right fit for your business. First off, Mercury is not a bank. Instead, it's a fintech company offering online banking services through their FDIC insured partner banks, Evolve Bank and Trust, Column NA, and Choice Financial Group. But more than that, Mercury is a product that is purpose-built for tech startups and digital-first businesses. Mercury has ditched the traditional banking model and has quickly become the go-to banking service for over 200,000 startups, including tech, SaaS, e-commerce, and venture-backed businesses. So here's what you get with a standard Mercury account, and did I mention it's free? Business checking and savings with no minimums, no monthly fees, and 24/7 online access. Instant virtual cards and physical debit cards for you and your team. Free domestic wires and ACH transfers. International wires with 1% currency exchange fees. Financial tools, including built-in invoicing and integrations with QuickBooks and Xero. And for tech teams, full API access so you can automate workflows and integrate with your stack. Everything is designed to be intuitive and customizable without ever having to visit a bank branch. So Mercury isn't just good for startups, it was built for them, and here's how your startup can benefit by signing up. Physical and virtual debit cards with custom limits and real-time spend tracking. Corporate credit cards issued through Patriot Bank, member FDIC. The IO card is available to qualifying account holders and comes with cashback rewards and no interest. Access to venture debt financing with competitive interest rates and straightforward payback plans for high-growth startups. Mercury Raise, a free support program for founders that includes help with fundraising, mentorships, and great resources like an investor's database. Working capital loans with flat fee pricing and weekly repayments for qualified e-commerce businesses. Partner perks like AWS and Google Cloud Platform credits, discounts on software like QuickBooks, and other discounts and offers. Everything Mercury offers is optimized for early traction, lean operations, and fast scaling without the traditional banking challenges that slow founders down. Mercury is available to businesses registered in the US that have an EIN. You don't need to be a citizen or even live in the US to qualify. Startups, e-commerce businesses, and venture capital companies in select international markets are also eligible to apply. But Mercury is not available to sole proprietors or trusts. Some high-risk businesses, including those in the adult entertainment, internet gambling, and marijuana industries, are also ineligible to sign up for Mercury. It's free to sign up, and there are no minimum deposits or balance requirements, and there are no credit checks and no personal guarantees required to open your account. If you're ready to modernize your finances but are still unsure if Mercury is right for your business, here's why Mercury stands out among other fintechs. Modern banking with no surprise fees, just banking that works. Mercury is built for growth. Whether you're bootstrapping or VC-backed, Mercury scales with you. You'll spend less time figuring things out and more time getting things done with Mercury's intuitive interface. Mercury is also tech-forward with automations, APIs, and integrations that play well with the rest of your stack. And when you're building a business, you don't want to deal with red tape. Mercury gives you modern financial infrastructure without all of the friction. Mercury isn't trying to fit in with traditional banks. It's designed for startups that move fast and think big and need a fintech that can keep up. If you're ready to streamline your business banking and tap into tools built for startups, Mercury can be a great fit. Check out merchantmaverick.com/Mercury to learn more and get started today. And don't forget to check out the latest promos linked in our description below. Thanks for tuning into this video. Now go build something amazing, and I'll see you next time.